So welcome to this math session, everyone. In last math session, we have finished your ATEM 1.1, where we discussed your properties of rational numbers like closure, commutative, and associative under addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and various questions based on it. In this session, we are going to see your additional properties of rational numbers, which are like distributive property of multiplication, over addition and subtraction. What are the special numbers is compared to addition and multiplication in terms of rational number, how we can find additive inverse of rational number, and how we can find multiplicative inverse of rational number. Okay, Akshay, धीरे धीरे, slowly, otherwise मुंडी बाहर निकल जाएगी, right? Akshay, धीरे धीरे, slowly. So now, so first we are going to see distributive property. So distributive property is same as you have seen till whole number or integers. Distributive property of multiplication over addition or subtraction. Till now, you know that if you are having three numbers A, B, C, which are rational numbers, right? If A, B, C are your rational numbers, then you can apply here distributive property as A into B plus or minus C is equal to A into B plus or minus A into C. What is the meaning of plus or minus? In between, if we are having plus, there will be plus. In between, if we are having minus, in answer also it will be minus. Is this clear, everyone? Right? Let us take few example. Okay, you only tell me example. Sunana, can you tell me any one number A? Any rational number A?
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me any one rational number. 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 4 by 5, anything? Sunana, tell me.
Sir, 2 by 3.
2 by 3, okay. Purvi, can you tell me one more number?
Yes, sir. Sir, 7 by 8.
7 by 8. Okay. Kishore, can you tell me one more number?
Yeah, sir. Sir, 3 by 4.
3 by 4. Okay. Now see, let us apply distributive property between them. Okay. Can I write them like this? 2 by 3 into 7 by 8 plus 3 by 4. Now, according to distributive property, 2 by 3 should be multiplied with both of them. 2 by 3 into 7 by 8 plus 2 by 3 into 3 by 4. And your final answer should be same. Let us check whether we are getting on both sides same answer or not. In LHS, we need to add first. So 2 by 3 will be as it is. Here for addition, I need to take LCM or not. Sit straight, everyone. Sit straight. See, I am seeing many students are sitting on this support. In last class, I have told you, na, you don't have to take any support, right? Sit straight. आपको support की जरूरत ही नहीं है. Then, okay, what will be addition here? 7 by 8 plus 3 by 4. Brinda, for this addition, what I have to take? What will be LCM of 8 and 4?
Sir, 8.
8. So if LCM of 8 and 4 is 8, do I need to multiply 7 by 8 with any number?
No, sir.
And what about 3 by 4?
Sir, we have to multiply the denominator with 2 and the numerator also.
So it will be 7 by 8 plus 6 by 8, correct? Okay. Now here for product, I don't have to take any LCM. So Rupa, can you tell me what will be product of first numbers 2 by 3 into 7 by 8?
Yes, sir. So 14 by 24.
Or can we simplify here first?
Yes, sir.
Then it will be 7 by
7 by 12.
very good. Plus now 2 by
Sir,
3.
here it will be simplified. sir.
Wait. Let us give chance to all the other students as well. Thank you, Rupa. Madhurnath, can you tell me what will be here 2 by 3 into 3 by 4? Madhurnath?
Yes, sir.
Yes, what will be 2 by 3 into 3 by 4? Can I simplify here?
Yes, sir.
How I can simplify?
Sir, 1 by 2. So 3 and 3 will get cut. 2 ones are 2, 4 twos are.
1 by 2. Very good. Now, so this is 2 by 3. Now, Niketan, can you tell me what will be here answer? 7 by 8 plus 6 by 8?
Sir, 13 by 8.
Thank you, Niketan. Now, next. Okay. Mute yourself, Niketan, please.
1 second.
Okay. Now let me give a chance to Siddharth. Siddharth, what will be
Yes.
simplification on RHS 7 by 12 plus 1/2? Can I add them directly?
No, sir, we should take the LCM.
What will be LCM here?
Sir, 12 itself.
12. So do I need to multiply any number with 7 by 12?
No, sir.
And what about 1/2?
Sir, multiply it with 6.
Okay, and divide with also 6.
Yes,
Amisha?
sir.
Okay. Amisha, can you tell me what will be simplification on left hand side now? Amisha? Amisha? Sorry, I muted you one more time by mistake. Yes, Amisha, can you unmute yourself? Yes. Can you tell me, Amisha, what will be simplification on left hand side? The voice is not coming. Samarth, can you tell me?
Yes, sir.
What will be simplification on this left hand side?
Sir, 2 fours are 8. That will be 13
By?
13 by 12.
Okay, thank you, Samarth. Now, Soumya Khatri, can you tell me what will be simplification on right hand side? Soumya?
Mm, 1 minute.
Yes, Soumya. What will be simplification here? Daksh, what will be simplification here? Daksh,
Yeah, sir.
what will be simplification here?
12.
7 by 12 plus 6 by 12. Why you all are getting confused, right? So it is very easy. Now, Mansa, can you tell me what will be final simplification here? What will be 7 plus 6?
Yeah, sir.
Yes, what is 7 plus 6?
So it will be 13 by 12.
Yes. So now in LHS also we are having 13 by 12. In RHS also we are having 13 by 12. So both are same or not, right? Don't worry, I will give chance to each and everyone, right? All of you will get chance to speak, right? हाँ. Kishore is asking, sir, we could cancel. Cancel करोगे? हमें बस यहाँ पे ये चेक करना था कि LHS और RHS में सेम नंबर आ रहा है कि नहीं, किशोर. यहाँ पे हम चेक कर रहे थे कि दोनों में सेम नंबर आ रहा है कि नहीं. Is this clear? So फटाफट नोट डाउन कर दो इसे everyone. So we can apply distributive property of multiplication over addition or subtraction. Quickly note down this. Meanwhile, I will take your attendance quickly. Huh. Okay, Brinda. Brinda is telling me to repeat as my voice was breaking. क्या सबके लिए voice break हो रहा था? Brinda अभी clearly आ रहा है? Okay. So Brinda, मैं repeat कर रहा हूँ, समझो what is distributive property. Till now we know that we have seen distributive property of or we are distributive property till integers, that a into b plus or minus c, this will be equal to a into b plus or minus a into c. So a into b plus a into c. Now a into b इसका simplification, a into c का simplification. After that, if we are applying addition, we are getting 13 by 12. On left hand side, if I am doing b plus c, I am getting 13 by 8. After multiplying it with a, I am getting 13 by 12. So in both the cases, I am getting 13 by 12. So I can say that I can apply this property for rational numbers as well. That only Brinda explained. Is this clear? Okay. जल्दी जल्दी लिख दो everyone. Do it fast. अक्षित जो स्क्रीन पे दिख रहा है वो पूरा लिखना है. दिस यू हैव टू राइट इन फॉर्मूला बुक एवरीवन. फॉर्मूला बुक. I am making your attendance session only, Niketan. हो गया सबका? ओके, ग्रेट. जल्दी जल्दी लिखो, जल्दी जल्दी दत्रे, डू इट क्विक. Okay, I will take your attendance. Santosh, I'm giving you permission so that you can unmute and speak yes or
सर
present.
सर
हाँ,
सर एक डाउट है सर.
बोलो रोहित.
सर हमको कॉन्सेप्ट कवर्ड लिखना है सर.
हाँ, नहीं चलेगा, नहीं वो लिखने की जरूरत नहीं.
सर
चलो.
मैं वही पूछ रहा था
Santosh
सर.
present.
Okay, Santosh present. Then
Yes, sir, present.
Rohit. Rohit.
सर प्रेजेंट सर.
हाँ. Then Garvit.
Present, sir.
Then Kishore.
Present, sir.
Let us resume from here, everyone. So now you are very much aware with distributive property of rational numbers. Now let us see your 0 and 1 as special number for rational numbers. That are exactly, those are exactly nothing but your additive identity and multiplicative identity. Now, additive identity element. Now, who will tell me about additive identity? What is the meaning of additive identity? That means if you add that number, right, what you are going to get? Additive identity के बारे में मुझे कौन बताएगा? Anyone? Yes, Ragini.
So 0 is the additive identity because when we add 0 to any rational number, we will get the same rational number.
Very good. Because if we are going to add 0 in any rational number, we are going to get same rational number, isn't it? So 0 is your additive identity element. So here 0 will be your additive identity element. So a plus 0 is equal to a. As for example, if you are taking 2 by 3, 2 by 3 plus 0 will be 2 by 3, minus 4 by 5 plus 0 will be equal to minus 4 by 5. Is this clear, everyone? Additive identity element. Now, since additive identity element is clear to you, right? नो आदर्श, ये सारी चीजें फॉर्मूला बुक में लिखनी है, बट चलो ठीक है, अभी लिख दिया तो ये ध्यान रखो. नाउ यहाँ से आप मुझे क्या एडिटिव इनवर्स बता सकते हो? व्हाट कैन बी योर एडिटिव इनवर्स ऑफ एनी नंबर? एडिटिव इनवर्स ऑफ रेशनल नंबर. इफ एडिटिव आइडेंटिटी इज क्लियर टू यू, कैन यू टेल मी व्हाट कैन बी एडिटिव इनवर्स ऑफ एनी रेशनल नंबर? यस, श्राव्या.
Yes, sir. Additive inverse. It's negative of any number. If the number is positive, then additive inverse would be negative. And if the number is negative, then negative into negative it is positive.
Yes.
It will become positive.
Okay. So just we need to change the sign, right? If our number is positive, its inverse will be negative. If it is negative, its inverse will be positive, correct? So here we know that a plus b equal to 0, right? So b is nothing but it is equal to minus a. So minus a is additive inverse of a, yes or no? If you are adding any number to a and you are getting additive identity, so that is called additive inverse. I can say that minus a is additive inverse of a. Since minus a is additive inverse of a, if I take different examples, like same, like I have taken 2 by 3. So minus 2 by 3 is additive inverse of 2/3. -2/3 is additive inverse of 2/3. पहले मेरी वॉइस ब्रेक हुई थी, बट आई थिंक अभी फाइन होगी, राइट? सिमिलरली 4/5 is additive inverse of -4/5. Okay, note down this quickly everyone. इसे फटाफट आप नोट डाउन करके लिख दो जल्दी जल्दी, फिर मल्टीप्लिकेटिव आइडेंटिटी एंड मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स दिखते हैं. डू इट क्विक. क्या अभी भी मेरी वॉइस ब्रेक हो रही है? इज इट स्टिल ब्रेकिंग? हेलो हेलो 1 2 3, क्या अभी ब्रेक हो रही है? इज इट ब्रेकिंग नाउ और इज इट फाइन? ठीक है, मान्यता बोल रही है लिटिल बिट ब्रेक हो रही है, मानसा बोल रही है क्लियर है. ठीक है, एक बार देख लो. ओके ग्रेट. शैल वी कंटिन्यू नाउ एवरीवन? आगे बढ़े. ये लिख दिया सबने? Now see here. So let us see now multiplicative identity and multiplicative inverse of a number. Okay. What can be your multiplicative identity element? Who will tell me? Raise your hand. Multiplicative identity element आपका क्या हो सकता है? आदित्य, can you tell me? आदित्य?
Yes, sir.
बोलो.
Sir, multiplicative identity is 1.
1. Sure. Why? What is the reason?
Yes, sir. Sir, because if any rational number is multiplied by 1, then the product is the number itself.
Okay. As for example, 2/3 into 1 is 2/3, and -4/5 into 1 is equal to -4/5. Correct? Okay. Multiplicative identity. Yes. So very good. Next. Yes, Niketan, we will. Now, if I write here multiplicative inverse, of an element or of a number particularly, or of rational number. So who can tell me what can be your multiplicative inverse of a number? Yes, Pooja, can you try for this? So additive inverse is nothing but the reverse of that number.
Yes, sir.
Pooja,
Reciprocal, sir.
reciprocal, very good. Because if you multiply a with its reciprocal, your answer will be 1. As for example, 2/3 into its reciprocal 3/2, answer will be 1. Similarly, -4/5, its reciprocal minus 5 by 4, answer will be 1. Is this clear, everyone? Right. So this is your multiplicative inverse. So multiplicative inverse is nothing but your reciprocal of the number, and additive inverse is nothing but reverse of the number. Is this clear, everyone? Right. Note down this. Yes, Siddharth, we will. So additive inverse is reverse of given rational number. Reverse मतलब plus है तो minus, minus है तो plus. And multiplicative inverse reciprocal of given rational number. Okay. Yes, note भी आपको लिखना है definitely the 3. Now note down this quickly, everyone. Everyone finish this? हो गया? Can we move to questions? Now, chalo. So since you have completed, let us move to its questions part. Okay. Now see here, everyone. 1.2 की एग्जाम कॉर्नर के क्वेश्चन अब हम यहाँ पे करेंगे. ये भी बहुत आसान है. These are also very much easy. Can you see this question number 1, everyone? Right. 4 sub questions are given to you. We need to identify. नहीं सिद्धार्थ चलेगा. सिद्धार्थ अब वो कर दिया आपने. We need to identify the property used in the following, and we need to mention their property. Right. We need to identify their property and we need to mention their property. Now one by one. X plus 0 equal to x. Akshit, which is this property? X plus 0 equal to x. ये कौन सी property है?
Additive element, sir.
Additive element, very good. Or identity element for addition. Identity element for addition. Okay. Second question. X into 1 by x is equal to 1. So आदर्श ये कौन सी प्रॉपर्टी है? आदर्श
Yes, sir.
ये कौन सी प्रॉपर्टी है? सेकंड क्वेश्चन.
So multiplicative inverse, reciprocal.
Yes. So it is your multiplicative inverse. Now b minus b equal to 0. Nitya, which property is this? Wait. Okay, Nitya, tell me.
Sir, additive inverse.
Very good, additive inverse. Nitya is asking, sir, can we write this in book itself? No, Manyata is asking. Just आप आंसर लिखो फॉर मतलब रेगुलर बुक में जो आपके नोट्स है वो नोट्स में डायरेक्ट आंसर लिख दो, क्वेश्चन नहीं लिखोगे तो चलेगा. Okay, next. Now, Laikita, can you tell me what is this fourth property?
Sir,
Yes.
your voice is breaking.
Acha, Laikita is telling my voice is breaking. Divyesh, can you tell me what is this property fourth? Fourth property, Divyesh. Devika, fourth property.
Yes, sir. It is distributive property of multiplication over addition.
Very good. Distributive property. Over addition. Okay. Note down this quickly. फटाफट note down कर दो. In 15 minutes, we will try to finish this exercise so that in the next 15 minutes we can play Kahoot, right? ये exercise में बहुत सारे questions हैं आपके, बहुत सारे. There are so many questions. Few questions we will do, few questions I'll give you from homework, right? Do it quick. जाए next question पे everyone. Can we move to next question? Okay, question number 2. Calculate the multiplicative inverse of calculate the multiplicative inverse of the following representation. इन सभी representation का हमें multiplicative inverse find करना है 1 by 1, right? So first let me write your first question. So definitely we need to simplify. Now here you can see there are 4 questions. And from this 5 questions, I will show you any 3. Remaining 2 you have to do from homework. Now tell me which 3 questions you want me to show. 2 तो मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ, 4th and 5th, that surely I will show you, right? One, let me show you first one, right? Second and third will be your homework. Is this clear, everyone? Right. Now first one, is minus 5/8 into minus 3/7. नहीं, फिर थर्ड वन भी मैं यहाँ पे आपको दिखा दूंगा, तो घर से तो फिर आपके लिए बहुत आसान काम बच जाएगा, फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड। घर से थोड़ा तो हार्ड काम करना पड़ेगा ना, यस और नो? इन फर्स्ट डे पीपीटी आई हैव शोन यू ना, पत्थर को पुश करना है, राइट? यू हैव टू पुश द स्टोन। सो राइट, जस्ट टेक। मुझे तो लगा आप बोलोगे सर हमें 4th 5th होमवर्क में दे दूं, बाकी फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड आप दिखा दो, राइट? एटलीस्ट 4th 5th इतने हार्ड नहीं दे रहा हूं, तो थर्ड वाला तो कर सकते हो। ओके, नाउ फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, minus 5/8 into minus 3/7. Before finding it multiplicative inverse of this, we need to simplify it first. Okay, पहले हमें इसको simplify करना पड़ेगा. So let us try to simplify it. प्रगति, हम इसे कैसे simplify कर सकते हैं? प्रगति, can you tell me? प्रगति, गर्वित, हम कैसे simplify कर सकते हैं? गर्वित,
यस सर।
आपको चांस मिलेगा, बोलो इसको कैसे सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे गर्वित?
सर कौन सा वाला सर?
कौन सा वाला दिख रहा है आपको स्क्रीन पे गर्वित?
यस सर।
हाँ
सर -5/8 into -3/7।
यस।
सर पहले 7 और 8 का डिनोमिनेटर सेम लाना होगा सर।
क्यों सेम लाना पड़ेगा? मल्टीप्लिकेशन में सेम लाना जरूरी है क्या? मल्टीप्लिकेशन में आपको एलसीएम फाइंड करना पड़ेगा।
नो सर,
तो
डायरेक्ट कर सकते हैं।
तो करो डायरेक्ट।
सर एक सेकंड।
माइनस माइनस प्लस, व्हाट इज 5 into 3? 5 3s are 15 or not? What is 8 into 7? 8 7s are 56. Yes or no? Everyone, please give me some response. Now don't tell me कि सर क्या ये 5 5 कैंसिल हो जाएगा क्या, और फिर 1 और 6 बचेगा? Is it possible? क्या ये 5 5 कैंसिल होगा? Right? No, not at all. चलो इधर आपको मिला 15/56. Now who will tell me its multiplicative inverse? Right? इसका multiplicative inverse मुझे कौन बताएगा? मृदुल, can you tell me what is multiplicative inverse of 15/56?
Yes, sir. Sir, it is 56/15.
Okay, so multiplicative inverse of 15/56 is 56/15. So this is your final answer. Okay, Pragati, no problem. Be active in chat box. Is this clear, everyone? You can tell me yes if it is clear to you. Great. Now, fourth one. One integer 2/3 into 13/18 minus 13/18 into 2 integer 2/3. Okay, what will be its simplification? 1 integer 2/3. Okay, Tanmay, can you tell me this?
Yes, sir.
हाँ बोलो तन्मय।
Sir, first we should simplify each one of them. So for the first one, we will get 5/3 into 13/18
3 1s are 3 plus 2 5, so it will be 5/3 into 13/18
13/18 minus 13/18 into 8/3.
8/3. From here, can I take 13/18 common?
Yes, sir.
Right. So if I take 13/18 common in first place, what will be left?
5/3 minus 8/3.
Okay, what is 5 minus 8?
Sir, minus 3.
This
Minus 3/3.
that will get cancelled out. So it is minus 13/18. So what will be its multiplicative inverse?
Sir, minus 18/13.
Yes, multiplicative inverse of minus 13 by 18 will be minus 18 by 13. Is this clear, everyone? Right. Thank you, Tanmay. Now note down this quickly, students. This आप फटाफट note down कर दो. Then we can see your next question. हाँ बृंदा, वैसे भी लिख सकते हैं. Definitely you can write like that as well. No, fifth one I will show you ना, but पहले इतना लिख दो. होमवर्क का मैंने बता दिया आपके क्लास में कि होमवर्क कैसे भेजना है, ऐसा कुछ बताया मैंने? नहीं ना, आपके क्लास में होमवर्क नहीं बताया ना. सी, यू हैव टू सेंड होमवर्क फ्रॉम नेक्स्ट वीक ऑनवर्ड्स. गूगल क्लासरूम में ही आपको होमवर्क भेजना है, राइट? एक एक वीक का हम होमवर्क चेक करेंगे. जैसे आप हर रोज मैं आपको लिखने के लिए देता हूँ ना, वो टाइम पे मैं आपकी अटेंडेंस ले लेता हूँ, वैसे ही मैं आपका होमवर्क गूगल क्लासरूम में चेक कर दूंगा. इज दिस क्लियर एवरीवन? So we are having 3 classes weekly. In one class, I can check homework of 15 students, 10 to 15 students. Next class, next 15. Next class, next 10 to 15. So 12 to 15, 12 to 15 if you will do, then we can see, we can check all of your homework in 3 classes. Is this clear? Right? 13 3s are 39 like that. So एक week का आपको पूरा homework भेजना है. That I will tell you. Okay? In Google Classroom, I will make assignment and I will tell you. हाँ, होमवर्क सेपरेटली नहीं लिखना है. होमवर्क आपको भेजना है, उसका मतलब क्या हो गया? आपकी पूरी नोट्स, राइट? वॉट एवर फॉर्मूला बुक, रेगुलर बुक, वॉट एवर इन क्लास यू आर राइटिंग, एज वेल एज वॉट एवर यू आर राइटिंग फ्रॉम होम, कंबाइंडली वो आपको पूरा भेजना है, राइट? 1 वीक का आपका फॉर्मूला बुक, रेगुलर बुक एक सिंगल पीडीएफ बना के आपको भेजना है. फॉर्मूला बुक एंड रेगुलर बुक बोथ विल बी इन सिंगल पीडीएफ. ओके, क्लियर एवरीवन? Now that I will tell you, Soumya, right? In the end of every week, right? जैसे ये week का last class Friday होगा, so you need to send on Friday, Saturday, like that. I'll make assignment and I'll inform in the group as well. Now, can you see this 91 by 72 divided by 13 by 8? Fifth question, 91 by 72 divided by 13 by 8. Okay, so first we need to simplify this. Now let me give chance to students जिन्होंने अभी तक कुछ बोला ही नहीं. बोलो ऋषिका, how we can simplify this? Yes, Rishika. Rishika.
Yes, sir.
How we can simplify this?
Ninety-one by 12 into
72. It is 72 into
8 by 13.
8 by 13. So how we can simplify further? Eight nines are 72. 13 sevens are 91. Isn't it 7 by 9? Clear, Rishika? Now, Rishika, can you tell me what will be multiplicative inverse of 7 by 9?
Sir, it's 9 by 7.
Yes. Multiplicative inverse of 7 by 9 will be 9 by 7. Note down this quickly, students, so that we can see next question. Done? Okay, next. हाँ श्राव्या, लास्ट वीक का पूरा अभी नहीं, वो मैं आपको बताऊंगा. चलो, कैन यू सी दिस क्वेश्चन 3, 4 and question 5 on screen, everyone? Can you see this question 3, 4 and 5 on screen? Right? Laikita, please unmute yourself.
Sir,
हाँ, नहीं श्राव्या, वो मैं बताऊंगा जब मैं असाइनमेंट बनाऊंगा, तब बताऊंगा, तब सबमिट करना है, अभी नहीं. Okay. Now this is your true or false type of question. Can I give you this true or true or false in homework? Right? ये true or false आप homework में try कर सकते हो पूरा. Right? Try it for homework. This is very easy. हाँ, fourth question में, ये fourth question में आपको doubt है संतोष? Right? Raise your hand. क्या doubt है आपको fourth question में संतोष? जब लिखने के लिए दिया तब नहीं पूछा आपने? Raise your hand संतोष. बोले संतोष, क्या डाउट है?
Sir, I have doubt in main fourth, sir, not that one.
मेन फोर्थ अभी मैंने बोला ही नहीं. सी, जब तक मैं आपको वो क्वेश्चन पे पहुंच नहीं रहा हूं, उससे पहले आप मुझे कैसे बोल सकते हो कि उस पर डाउट है? फर्स्ट लेट मी एक्सप्लेन दैट ना. राइट नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 इज योर होमवर्क. ट्रू और फॉल्स. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, show special property of 0, 4, -4/7. Right? This is given to as -4/7. So what is special property for 0, everyone? 0 plus -4/7. What will be its answer? -4/7. Yes or no? Everyone, tell me. Jaldi, 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 jaldi. हाँ या ना? Right? So special property for 0 for -4/7 is this only. Now find additive inverse of -16/25. So can we simplify first -16 by -25? Right? So -16 by -25. From both sides you can cancel minus. It is 16/25. So additive inverse is -16/25. तो ये +16/25 का एडिटिव इनवर्स क्या हो जाएगा? -16/25. ओके, नोट डाउन दिस क्विकली एवरीवन. यस आदर्श, वेट. Okay, raise your hand, Adarsh. बोलो आदर्श, क्या डाउट है?
Yes, sir. Sir, in the homework question, sir.
होमवर्क क्वेश्चन पहले आप ट्राई करो, वो कल पूछना है. होमवर्क क्वेश्चन पहले ट्राई करो, नेक्स्ट क्लास.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, daily after you give the homework, sir, I once go through the questions, sir. So I have doubt in third question, second question.
Second part of third question.
Yes,
I will
sir.
show in next class. Please try the other. Please let the other students try from home first. Right?
Okay, sir.
Now Rajat is having doubt. Akshit same, right? Akshit, आपको क्वेश्चन 3 के सेकंड पार्ट में डाउट है ना अक्षित?
Yes, sir. Sir, what will be the statement? I want to ask.
Yes, sir. Same, sir.
What will be the statement? 2 integer 2/7 is multiplicative inverse of 2.2 or not?
No, sir. False. Answer will be false.
If it is false, then what can be the reason that you want to ask, na? That I told you, na. Please let the other students try.
Yes, that is.
Please students, please pay attention over here. We are having 16 chapters. We need to finish 16 chapters on time. Are you getting my point? So that we are having each calculation that in each class we should finish this much things and this much questions will be from homework. Then and then only we can finish your syllabus on time. Is this clear, everyone? So if anything I am giving you from homework, that means I am balancing time and I am giving you from homework. So please don't waste your time and don't waste the time of whole class. particularly at that time. Please try it from homework. If you are having doubt, we are going to see it in the next class. And please maintain some patience, Rajat. Right? I am asking each and everyone. Now, ask me your doubt, Rajat.
Sir, in the fourth, the special property may be additive inverse also.
That also you can write, right? But since they are telling special property of 0, 4, minus 4 by 7, that also you can write, no issue. Both are correct. Okay.
Okay.
Now, Divyesh, what doubt you are having in question 5? Where is Divyesh? Raise your hand, Divyesh. Yes, Divyesh, ask me your doubt.
Sir, my disconnect was over, so that's why I want to how the fifth one you are solved.
Okay, so fifth one you want me to repeat, right?
Yes, sir.
Find the additive inverse of minus 16 by minus 25. Minus 16 by minus 25, minus minus will get cancelled out. This is 16 by 25. So what will be additive inverse of 16 by 25? Minus 16 by 25. Additive inverse of plus is minus. Minus is plus. Is this clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, can you see this question 6, 7, 8 on screen, everyone? Okay. Now see, is point 21 a multiplicative inverse of 4 integers 16 by 21? How we can check if any number is multiplicative inverse of other number or not? What is the property of one given number and its multiplicative inverse? अगर दोनों नंबर आपको एक साथ दिए गए हो तो उसकी प्रॉपर्टी क्या होनी चाहिए? मिक्स. What should be that?
First we have to simplify it.
Yes. So their product should be 1 or not? If both numbers are multiplicative inverse, what should be their product, right, Rupa? What should be your product?
Sir, 1.
So here point 21. Right? Now the another number is 4 integers 16 by 21. If you simplify this, 21 fours are. What is 21 into 4? 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. Plus 16. Plus 16 will give you 100. So it is 100 by 21. Now, 0.21 into 4 integers 16 by 21 will be equal to 0.21 is 21 by 100. 4 integers 16 by 21 is also 100 by 21. So answer is 1. Since their product is 1, we can say that yes, 0.21 is multiplicative inverse of 4 integers 16 by 21. Is this clear, everyone? Please give me some response. Sunana, Hasini, clear hai? Ayana?
Yes, sir.
Quickly. Right? Now the next question is multiply 14 by 13 with multiplicative inverse of 56 by 143. Can you try this from homework? Find product of additive and multiplicative inverse of this. ये भी आप homework से try कर सकते हो. Right?
Yes, sir.
आसान है. Yes, question number 7 is from homework, Dhatri. Question 7, question 8 are from homework. Similarly, question 14 and 15 also I am giving you from homework, right? Not other questions, but only these two. Question 14 and 15 में बस आपको blank fill करना है और property लिखनी है. So it is your based on property based question only.
Sir, should we write in the module or in
No. In notes only, in notes, not in module. And fill in the boxes with correct option. Right? So this is also I'm giving to you in homework. These two are easy. So आपका
so that means we have to skip the previous questions
yes.
between
Remaining
them and
question-
we can write.
Yes. Remaining questions please skip. That we will see in next class. And
सर एग्जाम कॉर्नर खत्म हो गया सर.
क्या खत्म हो गया?
15 क्वेश्चंस में उसमें से सिर्फ 4 होमवर्क दिया है सर.
हाँ, उतना ही करना है. ये जैसे ही आपका खत्म हो जाए, नहीं बाकी सारे स्पेस आपको छोड़ने की जरूरत नहीं है, राइट? बाकी सारे क्वेश्चन जब करेंगे तब हो जाएगा। अभी ये फटाफट करके नेक्स्ट शुरू करो। काहूट ऐप ओपन करके रेडी हो जाओ, राइट? फिनिश दिस एंड बी रेडी विथ योर काहूट ऐप। Now, last time we played Kahoot, right? If I remember. फटाफट फिनिश कर दो एंड बी रेडी विथ फॉर योर Kahoot. आपके Kahoot ऐप ओपन करके रेडी हो जाओ। Okay, can you see this Kahoot screen, everyone? Can you see this pin? Join quickly.